What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of 410 Drone and Travel. My name is Tony. I want to thank you guys for stopping by. In this episode, we're adding to the Raptor. That's right. We got more upgrades for the Raptor. This time, it's a phone mounting system by Bullet Point Mounting. It's a great system. It seems a lot of good reviews online, and I got a great deal on it. Plus, they support veterans and law enforcement officers. So let's get to unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go. All right, before we get to the unboxing, do me a favor. If you're new here, hit that like and subscribe button. It helps the channel out, and it helps out the algorithm for the channel, and it helps me out. I appreciate it. Again, thanks for stopping by. Let's get into it. We got ourselves another toy here from Bullet Point Mounting Solutions. That's right, folks. We're putting a mounting solution system into the Raptor. Let's get it unboxed. I just sliced it open just now. Let's get it unboxed and see what's what. Okay, looks like it's well boxed up. A small box there, looks pretty cool. Oh, there's the pieces that go on top of the mount. And I'm assuming this is the mount itself. And then that's the GoPro holder. It goes onto one of the pieces there. All right, let's start with the big box to get this out of the way. Okay, got warranty card. Very cool American flag sticker going on the Yeti for sure. And looks like instructions. Yep, installation instructions, and then cool, got some pry tools, measurement tools, screwdriver, some drill bits, and it's like a key of some sort. Ooh, what is this? Okay. All right, look at that. Bullet Point, giant, looks like a 35 millimeter or 50 millimeter. Yeah, 35. Bottle opener. It's pretty awesome. I'll definitely use that. So, and then here is the mount for the Raptor. So, go up there like this. Holes and 3M tape, which I like. Set that back in there for now. In this box, we have, okay, some more warranty stuff. I got the magnet set up for my iPhone. So here's the magnets and the little ball piece that goes with the magnets. Pretty good. It's very strong. Seems, so that's good. And then we got the carbon fiber arm and both ends for the ball. And that goes with this here. So let's get outside to the truck and get this sucker mounted up. Okay, first things first, got to remove the rubber mat. Easy enough. They gave us a pry tool, so we're going to use their pry tool to remove the speaker grill. This pops right up. Set that to the side. Now, a lot of people like taking out the speaker. We're not going to do that. We're just going to remove these 10 millimeter or 7 millimeter bolts here and pry this up. Got the right here. Hold it. And there's the other bolt. Time to pry this bad boy up. Yeah, it's pretty easy. Pop right out. A little bit of effort. Just don't bend too much. And then we have to unhook the speaker, which is under here. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. There we go. Now Time to take this, measure, and drill all the holes. Okay, I know this is kind of backwards, but we're gonna mark our holes here to exactly where we want the mount to be. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. And now we're gonna use their supplied drill bit to drill the holes. As you can see, there's the 4 holes under there, and I made it line up because I am going to use the rubber mat. Some people don't, I'm going to. Everything lines up good. Now we got to mount the balls and brackets to this first. Winter. I'm gonna go ahead and skip ahead and get all these on so you guys don't have to watch all this, and I'll show you the finished product. Okay, we had the holes drilled, lined everything up, got our balls on there. Before I totally attach it, you can see I got, just have a nut on there just holding it in. All 4 bolts are through the bottom. We're gonna go ahead and tighten all these up and get this reinstalled into the truck. That is not going anywhere. All right, let's get back into the truck. Okay, here we are with our setup. We got to hook the center speaker back in first. So let's get that plugged up. There you heard it click in. Now we're gonna safely put all of these tabs back in. This slides just up underneath there. There we go. Okay. Yep, we're all secure. Nothing's loose in there. And now time to put the 2 7mm bolts back in. Here we go. Right. Alright, and that one's tight. Now, time to put the Bang & Olufsen cover back on. Okay, that's secure. Alright, let's get this camera here so I can show you a little bit better. Okay, here's how it looks. Dead on. As you can see, no pops or anything up there. Just a nice new mount system, and it's pretty flush. If you look from back here, this is basically my driver view. This is exactly in line with my eyes. As you can see, it's nice and flush here. I'm actually going to put my Easy Pass here. I'm in the Northeast, so we have Easy Passes. And it says to wait 24 hours to mount anything, so I'll wait till tomorrow morning and go ahead and mount my phone holder. Alright guys, well, if you enjoyed that episode, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Leave the comments down below. Ask me any questions you would like. As I say in a lot of my videos, I answer all my questions. I'm very transparent, and appreciate you guys watching. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do that. See you guys in the next episode.